It's Saturday, it's time for a new scratch session, so let's get it. What's going on? It's your boy DJ TLM. Welcome to DJ TLM TV and welcome to episode 4 of the Saturday Sessions 2021, my interactive scratch session series. This is for practice purposes. I'm going to play a beat. I'll do a pattern for 4 bars, and after that it's your turn. You get 4 bars and you can either repeat my pattern, try to emulate what I do, or just do your own patterns. It's all about having fun, allowing you to practice with someone instead of just practicing by yourself. Now, of course, if you rather practice by yourself but you like the beat, check the link in the description box down below. You can download the beat for free and just practice on your own. It's perfectly fine. This is just another tool that you can use if you want to just switch it up a little bit. Now, you can play the video as many times as you want to, do different scratches each and every time, or practice that one pattern that you find hard to learn. Keep it up, practice, practice, practice. That's what it's all about. I'm ready, the beat is ready. Let's start the session. So that's it for this episode of the Saturday Sessions 2021. I hope you had a good time. Once again, you can play the video as many times as you want to. Use it as an alternative way to practice. If you want to have that beat, check the link in the description box down below to download it for free. I'll be back with a new episode in 2 weeks. If you like this video, make sure you like the video, share the knowledge. If you're new to my channel, or if you've been watching my channel for a long time but you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out. Activate the notifications so you always get that notification when I drop a new video, so you won't miss out on any of my content. Now, I'll be back soon with more content, so make sure you check out my streaming schedule, check out the channel for all the videos that I have there. Follow me on social. All the links are in the description box down below. Thanks for watching. See you soon.